So we will do some important question answer of the chapter Climates of India, that is chapter 3 of standard 7, right? So some important question answers are there and there are 20. So let us go through this question answer. So first question is, what causes weather changes? So weather changes are caused by the movement of air masses, moisture, temperature differences and the sun energy heating the earth unevenly. Okay. So these are the things that cause the weather changes. Next question is, how is climate different from weather? So weather refer to the short-term atmospheric condition in a specific place at a specific time. It includes daily changes in temperature, rainfall, wind, sunshine and humidity. Climate describes the average weather pattern in a place over a long period, usually 30 years or more. It tells us what kind of weather is typical for a region, such as whether it is generally hot, cold, wet or dry. So basically this is the difference between climate and weather. Next question is, why is India called a land of diverse climate? India is called a land of diverse climate because it experiences a variety of climate conditions from snowfall in the Himalayas to desert heat in Rajasthan, heavy rains in Mysore and moderate climates in coastal areas. So that's why India is called a land of diverse climate. Next, what factors affect the climate of India? Several factors affect the climate of India: latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, monsoon winds, relief features like the mountain, valleys, etc. Next, how does latitude affect the climate of a place? Latitude refers to the distance of a place from the equator. The places near the equator, that is have low latitude, receive direct sunlight and are hot, whereas the places farther from the equator that have high latitude receive slanting rays of the sun and are cooler. Example, southern India is warmer than northern parts like Kashmir. Next, how does altitude affect the climate of a place? Altitude means the height of a place above sea level. Higher altitudes are cooler because temperature decreases with height. Lower altitudes are warmer. Example, Shimla in the mountain is cooler than Delhi in the plain, even though Shimla is closer to the equator. Okay. So if a height of a place above sea level, then what happens? Higher altitudes are cooler because temperature decreases with height, and lower altitudes are warmer. Next question is, how does distance from the sea, that is proximity to sea, influence climate? Places near the sea have a moderate climate, neither too hot nor too cold, due to the sea's cooling and warming effect. Coastal areas have less temperature variation. Inland areas, that is far from the sea, have extreme climates, very hot in summer and very cold in winter. Example, Mumbai, that is near the sea, has moderate climate, while Delhi inland has extreme climate. It means that is hot in summer and very cold in winter in Delhi, and whereas Mumbai, that is have less temperature variation and neither too hot nor too cold, that is Mumbai. How do winds affect the climate of a region? Winds carry heat, moisture or cold air and influence the temperature and rainfall of a place. Moist winds bring rainfall. Dry winds cause dry and hot weather. Example, the monsoon wind bring heavy rain to India. Next is, what is topography and how does it affect climate? Topography refers to the physical feature of the land like mountains, valleys and plains. Mountain can block winds and cause rainfall on one side, that is windward, and dryness on the other, that is the leeward. Plains may have uniform climate while valley may trap cold air. Okay. So this is the topography, that is the physical feature of a land, and how does it affect the climate. Next question is, why is the monsoon important for life in India? Okay. So why is the monsoon important for life in India? The monsoon is central to life in India because most of India's agriculture depend on monsoon rains. It fills rivers, lakes and underground water sources. It supports irrigation, drinking water, electricity generation. It influences cropping pattern, festivals and the economy. Next, what are the two branches of the southwest monsoon? So the southwest monsoon split into two branches. Arabian Sea branch, that is, it hit the western Ghat and causes heavy rainfall in western coastal areas like Kerala and Karnataka. Bay of Bengal branch, it moves toward the northeast and bring rainfall to West Bengal, Assam, Bihar and the northern plain. Next question is, what is the retreating monsoon? So, the retreating monsoon is the period when the monsoon wind start withdrawing from the land during October to mid-November. The rainfall decreases. Cyclones are common in the Bay of Bengal during this time. Southern states like Tamil Nadu receive most of their rain in the season. Okay, this is retreating monsoon. Next question is, how does the monsoon affect agriculture in India? Most Indian farmers depend on rain-fed farming. A good monsoon leads to a good harvest. A weak or delayed monsoon can cause crop failure, drought and food shortage. What is yearly pattern of the Indian monsoon? So the Indian monsoon follow a seasonal cycle with four main seasons. First is the cold weather season, that is winter, and its time is mid-November to February. Features cool and dry and low temperature. Hot weather season, that is summer. Time is March to May. Very hot, rising temperature and local storms. Okay. Southwest monsoon season, that is rainy season. Time is June to September. Features heavy rainfall due to moist wind from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Retreating monsoon, that is the post-monsoon. Its time is October to mid-November and its feature is decreasing rainfall. Cyclones may occur in eastern coastal areas. Next, how are festivals related to climate and seasons? Many festivals in India are celebrated according to the changing seasons and agricultural cycles. Makar Sankranti marks the end of winter and the beginning of the harvest season. Baisakhi, Pongal and Onam are harvest festivals celebrated in different parts of India. Why are harvest festivals important in India? India is an agricultural country and most people depend on farming. Harvest festivals celebrate the success of crops and show gratitude to nature and gods for a good harvest. Okay, that's why harvest festivals are important in India. Next question is, how is climate related to natural disasters? Climate influences the frequency and intensity of certain disasters. Heavy rainfall can cause flood. Lack of rainfall can lead to drought. Warm ocean temperatures can cause cyclones. Climate change is increasing the risk of such extreme events. Now, question number 18 is, how can we reduce the impact of natural disasters? So we can reduce the impact of natural disasters by early warning systems, disaster management plans, building strong homes in safe areas, planting trees to prevent soil erosion, educating people about disaster safely. What are the main causes of climate change? The main cause of climate change are burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, pollution from industries and vehicles, increase in greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane. How can we reduce climate change? We can reduce climate change by planting more trees, use public transport, by saving electricity and water, by reducing, reusing and recycling, and also by using renewable energy and saying no to plastic. Okay, so in this way we can just help in reducing the climatic change, right? So these are the 20 important question answer from the chapter, that is understanding the climate. So I hope this was going to help you while going through the chapter also and just coming of your half yearly examination also. So this much for this video. Thank you so much for watching just until the end.